If I told you that this ordinary truck on the outside contains luxurious bedrooms and a cinema? Yes, these are the trucks of the wealthy that you will see today for the first time. Imagine transforming your daily commute into a first-class experience rivaling private jet travel. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van redefines on-the-road luxury. Plush leather seats with heating and cooling functions cradle you like a personal lounge. High-speed internet, touch control panels, and smart TVs create a seamless mobile office environment. Noise is left behind. Advanced sound-canceling technology ensures silence for rest or crucial calls. Adjustable LED lighting sets the perfect ambiance. Safety takes center stage. Real-time stability monitoring and instant response braking systems tackle unexpected challenges. After this journey, ordinary transport might fade from memory. The quest for a motorhome that seamlessly blends rugged power with lavish comfort has found its answer. The Morello Palace Liner S-Way, built on the Iveco S-Way chassis, redefines adventure for discerning travelers. Beneath its steel frame lies a beast, an 8.7-liter turbocharged six-cylinder diesel engine generating 340 horsepower. Upgradable to 400, torque peaks at 1,200 Newton-meters or 1,700 in the enhanced version. Weighing 18 tons, it stands as a titan in its class. Inside, practicality meets opulence. A convertible lounge area, a master bedroom with twin beds, and a gourmet kitchen featuring a gas stove, extractor hood, oven, and refrigerator. Priced between $460,000 and $500,000, this engineering marvel sets a new benchmark for overland luxury. Luxury travel isn't confined to private jets or grand hotels anymore. The Marathon Coach redefines opulence on wheels, blending sleek aerodynamic curves with tinted windows that offer panoramic views while guarding your privacy. Even the roughest country roads feel like smooth sailing thanks to its reinforced suspension system that mimics gliding over gentle waves. Step inside, and you're transported to a five-star resort. A sprawling lounge features supple leather seating and a family-sized dining area bathed in adjustable LED lighting. The chef-ready kitchen boasts premium appliances, sleek cabinetry, and storage space ample enough for a month-long journey. The sleeping quarters elevate comfort, cozy guest bunks, and a master suite that rivals boutique hotel suites. Priced at $3,242,000, this rolling palace sets a new standard for royal-grade adventures. Imagine erecting a 3-story event space in 6 hours with just one operator. The Movico Giant XL01 container house turns logistical nightmares into seamless reality. This expandable marvel unfolds into 160 square meters, featuring a ground floor hall for grand gatherings and a rooftop terrace accommodating 25 guests. With a total capacity of 195, it redefines scalability for global events. Beyond its transformative shell, it's packed with cutting-edge amenities, climate control systems, energy-efficient LED lighting, and professional-grade audiovisual equipment. Have you ever imagined combining the luxury of yachts with the flexibility of adventure? The STX4 Pop-Out, an expandable mobile home built on a Mercedes Actros chassis with an 8-cylinder engine, redefines the concept of land travel. With a length of 12 meters and a width of 2.5 meters, its interior transforms into a world of intelligence. Featuring luxurious leather seats, foldable tables, yacht-inspired design, and a smart 43-inch display screen, the comfort systems are unparalleled. The LG air conditioning, heated flooring, and Cabola heating maintain warmth even in extreme conditions. Privacy comes with a technical touch through electric curtains and retractable partitions. The Dream Kitchen includes 2 Whirlpool induction cooking plates, a microwave oven with grill, a spacious 220-liter refrigerator, and a dual waste container. What if your living room could dance with the cosmos? The Sky Dancer motorhome merges celestial wonder with Mercedes engineering, built on the Attigo chassis and stretching 8.2 meters. Its crowning glory? A panoramic glass cockpit serving double-decker-inspired vistas by day, while the retractable Sky Dome transforms nights into private planetarium shows. Inside, modular genius reigns. Lounge zones melt into dining spaces, and 2 cleverly concealed beds emerge, one from rear seating, another beneath the driver's pod. Climate-controlled serenity, sound-dampened walls, and adaptive LED mood lighting ensure every journey feels like a VIP cruise. What if your home refused to stay put? The Unity motorhome is a nomadic masterpiece built on the Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis, where alpine craftsmanship meets AI-powered safety. Think of it as a rolling atelier, hand-stitched French linens drape over artisanal woodwork, while a chef-grade kitchen hums with minimalist tech. Safety isn't an add-on, it's coded into the DNA. Active Lane Keeping Assist becomes your co-pilot, while Attention Alert scans drowsiness like a guardian angel. By night, the cabin transforms. Lounge zones pivot into dining nooks, and hidden beds emerge like secret chapters in a design novel. With a 12-inch nav screen plotting your odyssey and wireless charging pads fueling your gadgets, Unity doesn't just move, it evolves. Who said adventure can't wear bespoke tailoring? Adventure no longer requires compromise. This trailer redefines mobile living with its commanding presence. 9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3 meters 80 centimeters tall. Inside, every detail mirrors home. A sofa transforms into a spacious guest bed, while the dining table folds away to reveal a cozy coffee corner. The kitchen boasts a 368-liter fridge, a stove, and a dishwasher. With a fresh water capacity of 379 liters, off-grid living stretches for days. The eco configuration includes solar panels and lithium batteries, delivering self-sufficient power for 3 to 7 days. The exterior matches the ambition. A sleek aluminum shell houses a foldable patio deck rated for up to 680 kilograms, perfect for that final touch. A rocking chair under open skies. Get ready, because the big brother of Optimus Prime is about to hit the road. The Rioja luxury motorhome might resemble an ordinary container when folded, but once unfolded, it transforms into a 2-story mobile home that rivals city apartments in comfort and style. Its sleek, glossy exterior is engineered to withstand all weather conditions, blending practicality with sophistication. Step inside to discover an entirely new world. The spacious living area boasts a cozy sofa, a coffee table, and a large TV, inviting you to unwind. Modern lighting fixtures accentuate the minimalist design, creating a crisp and welcoming ambiance. The sleeping quarters include a wide bed for the owner and bunk beds for guests, each equipped with convenient outlets and shelves for personal items. The kitchen is a host's dream, outfitted with top-notch appliances and furnishings, including a kitchen island and bar stools for casual seating. Solar panels and a generator ensure uninterrupted power, while the advanced climate control system maintains comfort indoors, whether it's scorching or freezing outside. It truly seems like the Rioja luxury motorhome has it all. Luxury has found its wheels. The Element Palazzo Superior reimagines opulence through aerospace-inspired carbon fiber construction. No pilot's license needed. Its cockpit-style control panel and one-touch tinting panoramic window rival private jet tech. Inside, every detail whispers indulgence. A 4-meter sofa curves around a marble-top bar, flanked by a climate-controlled wine cabinet and a commercial-grade espresso machine. Above, a heated rooftop terrace offers stargazing without compromise. Beneath the glamour lies brute capability. An 800-liter freshwater reservoir, off-grid power generators, and a 600-horsepower Volvo engine ensure this palace isn't chained to paved roads, or any roads at all.